Good day, everyone, and welcome to DAV 8 School News Channel, where every achievement becomes inspiration and every child becomes a shining star. We are your hosts, Ashita
and Ananya.
and together we bring you pride, passion, and performance from our very own campus.
Namaste, viewers. I am Ananya from Classrooms to Champions, Leads with Excellence. Let's begin today's bulletin with wonderful achievements of our young learners.
Class 2nd Inter-School Achievers. Our tiny stars of Class 2nd dazzled at the inter-school competition and returned with prizes and applause. Virat proudly presented Himachali culture. Anaisha impressed everyone as Master Chef promoting healthy eating. Devija anchored confidently, spreading the message of Swadeshi products. Bhavik portrayed Swami Vivekanand ji and inspired all with his wisdom. We are truly proud of our young achievers.
Audit at DAV 8 Panchkula. DAV 8 Panchkula conducted an academic audit on 10th February 2026 by Regional Assistant HR Zone A, Mrs. Jaya Bharadwaj, and her team. The audit focused on improving teaching methods and strengthening academic standards, reflecting the school's commitment to quality education. Quality today, excellence tomorrow. Over to you, Ashita.
Thank you, Nanya. Star Readers of the Month. Encouraging the love for reading among educators, DAV 8 Panchkula proudly recognized the Star Readers Teachers of the Month for January 2026. The initiative appreciates teachers who actively cultivate reading habits, enrich knowledge, and inspire students through their learning spirits. Readers today, leaders tomorrow. It's your turn.
Tejasvi Bhava Blessing Ceremony. The grand Tejasvi Bhava ceremony was organized to bless classes 10th and 12th students for their board examination and big farewell to class 12th. The program began with sacred havan and lighting of lamp of knowledge by principal ma'am and staff members. Class 11 students welcomed their seniors with titles and memories, while class 12 honored their teachers with gratitude. Highlights: Mr. DAV Dhruv Jangra, Miss DAV Lavanya. Special awards to Akshi Verma, Rupinder, Kyra and Myra. The celebration concluded with cultural performances and a joyful DJ session. Blessings today, success tomorrow. Thank you, Ashita. Now over to you.
International Vivekanand Samriti Samaroh. At the 26th International Srijan Udyan Vivekanand Samriti Samaroh, 36 schools participated and DAV 8 shone the brightest. Gold medal winners included Avirat, Bhavik, Divija, Anaisha, Riya, Priya, Pratiksha, Vedika, Trisha, Megha, Khyati, Elena, Ashvika, Naika, Pragati, and Dishani. Principal Ma'am congratulated the achievers. When effort meets excellence, medals follow. Thank you, Nanya. Your turn now.
Yatra First Prize. During the 202nd birth anniversary celebration of Swami Dayanand Saraswati Ji, our school participated in a grand Shobha Yatra. The debut Ved Se Vigyan Tak Maharishi Dayanand Ji Ka Bharat won first prize. The event concluded with Arya Samaj Mandir and with Rishi Langar and blessings. Tradition inspires, knowledge empowers. Thank you, Ashita. Back to you.
Taekwondo Championship Gold. Another proud moment. Krisha of class 2nd won a gold medal at the GTA Cup Open Taekwondo Championship. Principal Ma'am appreciated her dedication and achievement. Strength in spirit, victory in action. Thank you, Ananya. Please continue.
On 23rd February, a workshop on diversity and inclusion was conducted at DAV 8 Panchkula by school councillor Mrs. Roshni Tandon. The session guided teachers to treat every child with love, respect, and equality. Under the guidance of the head of the institution, Mrs. Ritu Dilbagi, the workshop emphasized that education shapes what a child can become. The session was highly appreciated.
And with these proud moments, we conclude today's news bulletin. Keep learning, keep growing, keep shining, because DAV 8 doesn't just create students, it creates future leaders. Stay inspired, stay disciplined, and stay connected with DAV 8 School News Channel. Thank you and have a wonderful day.